OK，今天来到美国的 Camera Show，看看有什么好玩的东西。
Sometimes you can't get one. I actually have, they make a plastic one. I was one of the youngest. I remember 8 grams. Yeah, and you also have
Yeah, of course.
Let's see.
It's up to the bill. Give me 1 second. Let me get my.
Freddie, do you remember the little miniature camera he bought? Do you remember it was just got my tape paddle. So take it off my case. I want you to go in. I might keep it.
Not too much things, but I bought a Olympus. I don't know how it goes, but I will test it. But it seems it works. But for $10, yeah, you can just buy it for decoration. So there's some deal, but I don't know. Let's ask. 好了，今天有些收获，买了一本这个徕卡的小书，正好作为家里的一个收藏吧。然后其他的其实没有太多想买，因为都价格就是正常价格。当然，如果你缺什么东西也可以买。我觉得都是可以谈的，价格都是可以谈的，所以有的时候我就懒得跟他们讲价。哎呀，什么肾啊！
Okay, and so when they made the film, Milford finished it. They didn't finish the end of it. They made the car.
I just got this adapter.
Wow, that's crazy. It's using graphics. Oh. 这么小，就这点东西的，哎。
Processing is always
I have knock-on rangefinders in this shutter release on the back. The apps and the rangefinders.
I go to
AR1.
go to Riverdale. The soft shutter release raises the shutter by about half an inch and makes it a softer touch.
Oh, yeah, but just.
不过出来个这个效果清爽，
清爽呀，清爽呀，清爽看搿搭。
大小啊！
但是侬看搿搭就交关清爽。
啊，侬拍搿两部，
啊，对，讲
搿两这么看，
搿张老便宜，200块了。
标出来就，不侬多拍个吊位位，侬就拍个我这个音乐位侬。
啊，搿勿来事，搿就是记录生活记录。
哦，
生活记录。
老简单个，侬大陆娘勿拍。
大陆酱勿拍，大陆酱，没搿只长焦镜。
用70到200就可以。
啊，70到200对。
A lot more Leica stuff in there. I mean, this is a good one too. Here.
Oh, there's some more books. Okay.
No. Actually, here. Oh, I'm sorry. You're doing something.
Oh, no worry. Go. Oh, this one was good. Okay.
This is all the accessories.
Oh, accessories.
Yeah, it's a collector guide. So, I mean, this one is like, it's got everything. This is a good one too, but this is a little worn. It's the first 60 years. So basically it has everything from the first 60 years. Now they're going for 100. This year's their 100 years.
Yeah.
So this one, I mean, I don't know if you care for something like that. These are nice books.
Also goes.
Yeah, these are original, and these are not the. These are original.
Oh, original.
Yeah, no, not the reprint.
Oh,
these are original. That's true, original.
Original. Oh, okay.
Not a
okay.
reprint. A lot of reprints now.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
These are not a reprint.
Got you.
Because I bought a collection from a guy who, he's probably in his 80s now. He bought most of his stuff in the 90s.
Oh, so like
he's
30 years old.
He's a multi-millionaire.
Yeah.
And a lot of stuff came from him. And so these are some of the books are from his. He labeled them. So that came from him as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's a multi-millionaire. He's in his 80s, yeah.
So he don't need this cameras
Yeah,
anymore.
he sold his collection to me, so.
Oh, that's good. So you have all the Leicas. Yes.
Oh, I have a lot more. I mean, I didn't bring Leicas here. I brought mostly books here. I mean, I have a lot more Leicas. If you like Leicas, I got all kinds of Leicas.
Leica is too expensive. So
I know. Yeah. But the books are good. I mean, they give you illustrations, you know. So, you know, this one shows you all the, you know. This is a very expensive camera.
Yeah. Especially black.
Sure.
Black are always expensive.
Black paint, yeah. The gold and.
Okay.
Yeah, but Leicas, I mean, you can't go wrong with them.
That's true. Yeah. Because my apartment is so tiny, so I can only
That's okay.
have 1 or 2 books.
No problem. Well, I got a Bridget.
跟那个差异了，对吧？
我没吃200，吃200太大了，太长了就。
吃了我600一个。
哦，600是 F4了，F4搿种。
侬搿个是做清爽。
搿是清爽。
侬小多伊出来勿来事。窗户自家窗户背影了。侬晓得搿只歌了，我都忘了歌。